to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a video. And yeah, we're just going to jump straight into the tutorial. The first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just primed my entire eyelid with it. And I really like it because it is a full coverage concealer, so it does color correct any discoloration I may have on my eyelid. And then I go ahead and blend that out and set it with some translucent powder. The first eyeshadow that I went in with is this eyeshadow from Makeup Geek. It's called Cupcake, and I grabbed it with a fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade. Next, I went in with a defined angled brush and I went in with this single eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Love Letter. And I just put that above my actual crease, just starting to trace out where I want to add definition in the crease. And I pretty much do this every single time because it's pretty foolproof. You just drag the line across your crease where you want it to be. And then I went in with that first transition shade in the shade Cupcake, and I just put that right over that line, just blending it out in back and forth motions to make sure that even though we want to add depth in the crease, it's still very blended. And then I went in with my Too Faced concealer and I just cleaned up all over the lid, and then I went ahead and set that in place with some translucent powder, and then going back into that Anastasia Love Letter shade. I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more depth on the outer lid, so I just picked up a fluffier brush and I just started to diffuse that shadow from the outer lid going in towards the center of the lid. And then on the center of the lid I grabbed my Dose of Colors Francation palette and I grabbed the shade Just a Kiss and I just popped that a bit in the very center part of the eyelid, and I feel like it just gave a really nice effect. And then for lashes, I went in with the Shop Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bali. The link will be in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. And then I went in with the shade Just a Kiss one more time, and I just put that in the inner tear duct just to highlight the center, not the center, the inner portion of my eye, just to really open it up. And then I went back into the shade Cupcake and I just put that along my lower lash line. And then the last thing that I did was I grabbed some mascara and I just put that on my lower lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so that you never ever miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!